Hey guys, we are in Ybor in front of Jimmy's Tacos, which is an amazing taco place if you don't know about it. I ran about 12 miles this morning, and I can tell you I am in the mood for a taco, and not just one taco, but a bunch. They started in 1988, a family-run business, as a food truck in California, actually. In 2018, they moved here to Tampa, and now locally, it is known as one of the best places to get tacos. So I can't wait to show you guys some of their tacos, some of their horchata, some ice drinks, and show you some of the deliciousness. So let's go check it out. So, because it is a family-run restaurant, we were actually able to get recommendations from Jimmy himself. So, we've got the quesadilla tacos here, and then the closed face, a bunch of different sauces. We got their shrimp tacos with a blue corn tortilla, and then we've got the very underrated quesadilla with steak in it, which, funny enough, that's like one of my favorite things. It's a very childish dish per se, but a really good quesadilla is very good. So I'm looking forward to trying all of this. I feel like you can judge a place by its guac. Very, very good. There's really no fillers in it. Super fresh. Super creamy. It's good guac. Look at that shrimp taco, man. The blue corn tortilla too. I don't know if you like blue corn tortilla chips, but I'm a fan, so I'm looking forward to this one. It's got like a nice sweet and tangy sauce on it. Shrimp are cooked perfectly, nice and tender, not chewy at all. The blue corn tortilla adds like a little bit more to it. That's a really good taco. Man, I don't even know which one I like more. Those are very close. I think you need to get both. So when you order these Birria ones, you gotta be ready for a little bit of the drip. That's all where all the flavor is. It's been leaking out the bottom. But I have to say, the tacos are very good. This could be the best quesadilla, quote, that I've ever had. It's folded over. It's super crispy on the outside, but then soft on the inside with the cheese. It's got the fluffiness, but got the crispiness. And then the meat, it's got loads of flavor. You can tell it's cooked very long and slow. Very, very good. So I will admit that I'm not completely read up on horchata. However, my understanding, which could be wrong, is that it's a rice milk beverage with almond and cinnamon in it. And that's pretty much what it tastes like. It kind of tastes like rice pudding, like a sweet rice pudding with cinnamon. It's like the sweetness, kind of almost like a little vanilla, but almondy. Very refreshing. So I can tell you it's hot out. You can't see it, I've been sweating probably this entire meal. It is hot, but this is a very good cure for the hotness. So last but not least, the steak quesadilla. This place is also great in terms of Ybor. If you go out in Ybor, if you're looking for a fun night out, Ybor does get a little crazy. You know, it's not like your 30s and 40-year-olds drinking their bourbons. It's not it. It gets a little crazy. Definitely a lot of young people, but this is a great late night spot too if you need to soak up some alcohol. But last but not least, the steak quesadilla. Some like unexpected horseradish in there, but not a lot. That's very good. I love the horseradish addition. I was kind of looking at this and thinking like, it's gonna be steak and cheese. It's not gonna be that interesting, especially after what I just ate, which has so much flavor. But that little bit of horseradish kind of like cuts through it. Very, very good. This is my guilty pleasure quesadillas.
So we're here with Jimmy. He's actually the founder of it. So Jimmy, tell us a little bit, like, what was the backstory of the place? I heard that it started as a food truck. Is that true?
Yeah, so it started out as a food truck out in California. It's been family owned ever since. The recipes are from my grandmother, passed down for multiple generations. We ended up in Ybor. We moved to Florida, college. My mom had always had passion for food, and we decided to open a brick and mortar, and here we are.
So it's you and your mom. You're the ones that kind of first started.
Yes,
that's
yes.
awesome.
And I'm almost tempted to say that we are the first ones that brought Birria to Tampa, which is one of our very popular dishes.
Yeah. Is it true that that's from Tijuana originally, or am I making that up?
Well, there's a Aguascalientes version, which is made with goat meat, and then the Puebla version, which migrated to Tijuana, that is made with beef.
Okay.
Yeah, but it is a Tijuana style birria.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Very nice. And then, so would you say that Birria is what is most famous for here?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes, it's we sometimes get lines out that go around the fence in the weekends.
Yeah.
It's a very popular dish, and the way we do it, it's a variety. We do a quesadilla, a taco version, a burrito version. So we get creative with it.
Yeah. Honestly, the quesadilla version was, I think, arguably the best quesadilla I've ever had, because it had like the crispy exterior because it was fried, but then the inside was still soft with the cheese, and then the meat flavor was nuts. I mean, very, very good. So if you were to sit down and like grab lunch, what would you get?
If I were to sit down and grab lunch here, I would definitely have either a couple birria tacos and the blackened shrimp taco. That's another popular item here. It comes with the Cajun remoulade, which has got that little bit of spice and vinegar taste to it, with a squeeze of lime, just filled with flavor. Really good, and definitely don't miss out on the horchata. That is.
The horchata is so refreshing.
Yes.
Yeah, I was like, I had a little coffee before this, so I got a little hot, started sweating, and that was like the perfect thing.
Yeah.
So is those shrimp tacos, the black ones, is that the same as the blue corn ones?
Yes.
Those are good, man. Those are really good. The birria ones, the flavor was crazy, but then the shrimp one, there's not a lot on there, right? It's just the shrimp.
Yes.
But the flavor is nuts. And the shrimp are really good size.
Yes, and we actually make the blue corn tortillas by hand every morning.
Wow.
Yes, they're impossible to get anywhere else, but we get it done.
Very nice. And then the Ybor area, obviously, it's a little bit of a Jekyll and Hyde city where it's during the night it gets kind of crazy. But what do you like about the local area?
It does. Mainly what I love about the local area is the local support. Everybody's really friendly. We're all willing to help each other out. There's always events going on here every weekend. So it's a fun area.
Yeah, definitely. All right, appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Alrighty, y'all, so we finishing up that horchata. And I can tell you, from going on Google before I came here again, just kind of look at the reviews and all, the reviews are, insert the word, because 4.4 stars, it's literally like all 5-star reviews from people who actually know the place and love it, and then some random 1-star reviews that I don't even think it's a real review. So the line behind me should show you, and the fact that ever since we were here, there's just people coming in and out for those birria tacos. This place is a must-try. It's a must-try if you're in the Tampa Bay area, whether you're in Tampa or even on the St. Pete side. It's worth a drive, and exploring the Ybor area too. It's a fun area to explore during the day. If you're ready for that kind of night, it's a fun area to explore during the night too. You can start your night off here. So we got Jimmy's Tacos here in Ybor. If you're around, come check it out.